Thank you very much for the support you are giving continuously for the Ministry of India. The Faith Theological Seminary, this is the 56th year of our seminary. In this last 56 years, God was faithful and He was leading us, many graduates, every year, going out for the ministry in different parts of the world. Here in this country also, so many are ministering for the Lord, and also in India, in different parts of India, our graduates, they are working. In this year, March 26 was our graduation, and about 67